In my video, I will talk about cannibalism. Vocabulary pertaining to cannibalism. Endocannibalism is the act of consuming human flesh from members within a community. Exocannibalism is the act of consuming human flesh from members outside of the community. In this video, I will compare the cannibalistic rituals of the Melanesians to the cannibalistic rituals of the Aztecs. First, let's talk about the Melanesians. The Melanesians were a tribal religion who lived on the islands north of Australia. The Melanesians partook in an endocannibalistic ritual of consuming the brains of ancestors whom have since passed. The Melanesians did so as part of their grieving process and in hopes of bringing the souls of those who had passed into the souls of the living descendants. Next, we'll talk about the Aztecs. The Aztecs were an ancient civilization who lived in central Mexico. The Aztecs partook in an exocannibalistic ritual of consuming the flesh of members of a different community. This process was called headhunting. The Aztecs did so in order to celebrate victory and defeat over the consumed members' tribe. In addition to headhunting, the Aztecs also practiced human sacrifices. Like the brutal killings and consumption of members of different communities, the Aztecs also sacrificed members within their community. They did so by stabbing the member in the chest, ripping out the heart, and tossing the body down the temple stairs. The Aztecs sacrificed thousands of their own members each year. The Aztecs practiced these human sacrifices in order to please the gods in hopes of obtaining a good calendrical agriculture, meaning the Aztecs would be able to grow plenty of crops all year round. Aztecs' cannibalistic rituals, as well as their human sacrifices, were a lot more brutal than the Melanesians. The Aztecs sacrificed many members of their own tribe in order to please the deities. The Aztecs also partook in cannibalistic rituals, such as headhunting, in order to show power. Melanesians, although they were not opposed to headhunting, practiced cannibalistic rituals such as the eating of ancestors in order to partake in the grieving process.